Page 72, Rockin Little Brown Jug. We're still in the key of E major, so hopefully you're still doing the E major scale. We'll talk about this. It's a common time. We'll start with the right hand. Then with the thumb on the G sharp and here. Not necessary, but you can play that fingering if you want. Because you could just as easily, because it's staccato, you could just as easily do 2-4. Because I do a 2 and then a 4-3-2 on the repeated B's. You need to start thinking about using different fingers on repeated notes. So you have those 3 B's in the first measure. I recommend you go ahead and try that. A 4-3-2. It's a staccato. I just use a light finger staccato. No? Try that and see what you think. And then your second line's the same way. Third line, just a light staccato. Remember the G sharps, they're important. And that's really about it for the right hand. There's not a lot to it. In the left hand, you just got chords, 1 chord, 4 chord, and then staccato for the half note. The last note in the first line, I recommend a 4-2-1 because the quarter notes are here with 5-3-1. So to go to the other chord, you can go here. I find that easier than going here. But if you prefer that fingering, go ahead. Wrist staccato on the chords. You get that throughout this piece, this chord. You know, the last measure of the lines, you'll see it. You know, be careful, they throw you a curve. It's in the key of E major. If you look at the last line and the last measure in the right hand, you've had a D sharp, should be a D sharp, but they put in a D natural to match the left hand. So that is different. That may not be what you were expecting, so look out. And that's about it for Little Brown Jug. It's just a really happy, spirituoso, spirited, don't know what that is, but you can just figure it out. Play the rest. The left hand has a lot of rests, so it's like at the first measure, just 2 counts. So when the right hand plays the count 3, the left hand comes up. Etc. So play the rest, you know, where they are, because it's important. It's always important, but yeah. I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's try this out very slowly to check the notes and the rhythms and all that. So put your hands where they go. Depending on what fingering you're going to use, put your hand where it goes in the right hand. I'm going to use 2 and 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 4. Rest. Rest. 4. Rest. Rest.